Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to another update on Luna Classic. We did a video yesterday, and after that, it started to rally quite a bit. I also bought some. I think in the video yesterday we actually talked about that. I'm not too sure, but I believe I talked about that I would potentially buy it. In the end, I did. I bought down here still, so before it rallied. So it rallied. Has found resistance right now at that main resistance level around this level right here at 13,400. As you can see, technically that's a strong level. All right, we can even drag this down a bit, and then it's clearer. We broke above the lower part of that resistance level, but in the end that wasn't enough. All right, and what you saw in general is that yesterday we saw some weakness around altcoins. That also had its effect on Luna Classic, and just in general, you can see that the open interest went down a bit. All right, so we got some take profits probably. Some people closed their positions, and that's the situation for Luna Classic right now. Now, because I bought, I am still very bullish. All right, and I'll tell you why. And the first part of that is just the technicals. All right, I think the technicals, even though this little part up here is quite bearish, all right, because we found resistance, then we broke down below the lower part of this yellow area and also took a break retest off of that. So that's just purely technically and objectively, that's bearish confirmation. But if you look at all of the, if you look at Luna Classic and if you zoom out a bit, I mean, this market structure is quite bullish. We've shifted into a more bullish market structure. And we're also breaking above resistance levels. Broke above this level around 11,500 first, then broke above this level around 12,000. And now the next level to break out above in order for us to get up to 15,000 is 13,500. But I do expect that because the open interest right now is still very high. Now, do I necessarily think that this open interest is going to lead to another leg up? So to another rally? I'm not sure. All right, so the RSI is a bit better. We got our liquidations, so that's fine. So do I think that that's necessarily going to happen now? No, not necessarily. I think it's a bit more likely that Luna Classic will test that technical support. All right, so that it will drop down to that level around 12,000. But what I also do expect in these market circumstances and with this market structure is that Luna Classic is going to hold this and probably consolidate and do a whole lot of nothing before, with the increased open interest and momentum, before rallying again, breaking above 13,500 and rallying up to 15,000. Because, and that's the second reason, or one of the main reasons why I also bought Luna Classic, and it's more of a long-term trade. It's a spot buy. It's for the fact that it's just a question if, and not, or it's just a question when, instead of if, we will get some news regarding USDC and Luna Classic again. And at this moment, I mean, we must be honest, on the short term, what you see is that the volume for USDC has increased rapidly, but it's also decreasing. All right, so this is probably not going to lead to anything. But at some point of time, we'll get the rumors again. We'll get some bullish momentum from that, and the potential that Luna Classic then has, which we all know it does, is immense. All right. So yeah, that's why I'm holding Luna Classic. I think this is actually a pretty good entry area, and just in general, this area right here seems to be the bottom for now, if the market circumstances stay good. All right, right now I would say market circumstances are good, even with a spike down, it's still good. So that's why I think something like this on the short term is most likely. All right. Now, if you do have any questions, of course, let me know. If you want entries like these and just in general calls like these as well, consider checking out consider joining my premium and signal group. Quite valuable, but that's up to you to check out. For now, thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.